We're coming up to the entrance bit now. The greens are occurring. The paths are coming. And so am I, to Darlands Nature Reserve. Let's do this. Mysterious birds are among us. There are sounds, possibly strange creatures in the vicinity. Possibly one of the last few homes we might see on the way. Goodbye, civilian life. We'll be with you in one moment. Let's go. For those of you concerned about its location, you can find Darlands Nature Reserve in the borough of Barnet, which is North London. And as you know, most of my videos so far have been taking place in North London, so all the more reason to explore this beautiful landscape of greenery, suburbanness, all in the power of being up north, because we're the best. You can never go too wrong with a traditional brook as it streams its way across, above and onwards. As you can probably already tell, judging by the high amount of greens we've got here, it's perfect for the occasion. Not sure if you can hear, but there is of course a dog screaming in the distance. Could he be wild? Could it be a she? Who knows? If the sounds of the dog get closer, I'll probably let you guys know. I should be safe. I'm here, and you're here too. Okay, so there's still a few more homes left in our scenes, and the dog that we're hearing was actually in one of those gardens, safe and secure, just as he or she or they should be. But not to worry, I'm just digressing here because I'm feeling a little bit tense doing this adventure. Interesting. There seems to be sort of a mini bridge connecting to some sort of area called Chantonbury Way, but we know that Darlands Lake Nature Reserve is somewhere down that way. So let's proceed to Darlands. Come on, let's do this. We could probably go there afterwards before it gets dark. I can sense we're getting closer and closer. Let's go and do this. Got to be careful here though. It's getting dodgier and messier. My shoes probably aren't the best equipped for this kind of terrain. Somewhere in that cool distance is where we need to be. Should we proceed? It's because of this that has got on my way, and it's not allowing us to proceed. But when the coast is clear, I will go for it. We'll meet again, properly. We will indeed meet again. Okay, we're back again. Back to Darlands. This time, slightly better weather. This time, hopefully, slightly less mud. You know, because my safety is a lot more paramount this time. Safety is paramount. As we've seen before, as we've experienced before, you can hear the sounds of nature calling. All sorts of various species of animals. You're never alone when you visit these places. Of course, I did see a squirrel or two, so we can't forget about them. Or else they might start complaining if they don't get a mention. Pro-diversity, eh? Wow, Take a look at those horses. Stoic, pensive, or maybe they're just maybe something is amiss. Maybe perhaps they're having trouble with one another. I'm not sure what's truly going on, but ladies and gentlemen, everyone, we're getting close. Let's do this. Let's pass through this gate. Let's see if we can proceed. Yes. This is a monumentous occasion in life for me. I just want to do this. Okay. Gates are closed. Darlands Nature Reserve. It's you and me now. Let's do this. Still a little bit muddy. Don't want to end up... Well, I don't want to end up in trouble. Managed to pass one big upheaval. Let's just take this corner here. Come up across another gate. I'm not so sure why a horse would want to cross this. It looks a little bit uncomfortable for them. Okay, so we must crawl through here. Okay guys, I can see it. We have made it to Darlands Nature Reserve. Obviously no horses can be or will want to cross over to that side. But then again I could, so let's do it. I can cross. Not sure if that's the byproduct of a horse trying to break and enter, but not to worry. Take another fantastic look at this. The stream, the giver of life and the entrance of beginnings. Probably doesn't make much sense, to be honest. But let's proceed forward in this rather mystical place that we are. Look at the position of the trees in the distance and the field. Let's get closer to this. This is majestic. Oh look, juxtaposed with those cranes in the distance. Civilization peeking in. Take a look at that, guys. It's a squirrel. Wow. Beautiful, but look. The sun is just glazing onto me as it begins to set. Just like to alert you the history of this place. At some point, there used to be a mansion somewhere around here. It was once owned by the governor or the Bank of England, a guy called William Manning in the 1800s. His wife wanted to develop that mansion, and in doing so, she helped form the lake, which we're going to see. And at some point, the home was sold by a lad who sold biscuits. Sometimes words cannot express what you see, so it's best on a few occasions, especially this one, let's not say much. Definitely want to avoid this, so most folks generally take the safe option and walk around the sides. I can sense something emerging in the distance. This must be it. Is that it? And there we are, folks. We've made it to the one and only Darlands Nature Reserve. a beautiful experience to be had. Those birds all flying away, giving me the chance to take this beautiful shot. Oh, there's a few more there. Okay. Leave, and let me just take the beauty. Okay, I kind of want you guys back. Let's just keep on enjoying. Look at that. Look at that, it's beautiful. I'm not sure what this mechanism is, but that looks like some sort of drainage system. Last thing you want is a bit of flooding going on, but you can see the water sort of seeping in here, making its way down there and into the mysterious brooks ahead. Is that the Folly Brook? It is. But there is still some, well, there's still technology involved behind, I suppose, behind this beautiful thing to see. There's just a selfie video of me with the lake in the distance, on the background, of course, to prove that I was here. There's another shot of my beautiful face, and with Darlands in the back. You can see the ducks there in the distance. Beautiful triage of friends. Harmonious, one by one. Interesting. Get some furry friends here as well. Hello there, Foxy. Wow. I wonder what kind of group of trees are those. Mysterious. Otherworldly. I'm sure they have a name though. Still around the corner, the opposite side. Let's see if we can get a phenomenal shot here. I'm sensing something beautiful is amiss. The sun in the distance. A couple of trees on the way. Getting close. Here we are. Yeah, I'm soaking it in. I'm soaking this beauty. Look at it. Goodbye, Darlands. Nature Reserve. We'll be back. We'll indeed be back again. Somewhere up there, guys. Ladies and gents. Everyone. The exit lies there. Back to civilization.